So good afternoon, class. Today we are going to do some assertion reason question from the chapter which already we have done. Okay, you will keep on noting down the question. Right in the first question, eukaryotic cells have membrane bond organelles. Eukaryotic cells have membrane bond organelles. This is assertion. Reason write down. Eukaryotic cells are mostly seen in unicellular organism. Eukaryotic cells are mostly seen in unicellular organism. Okay, is the first statement correct? Eukaryotic cells have membrane bond organelles. Is it correct or incorrect? Right, use your chat box to write down the answer for the first statement, whether it is correct or incorrect. Okay, Sanvi correct, Anjali also correct. The answer is correct. Okay, Ananya has given me the option also. Okay, Ananya, very good, correct. So first statement is correct. All of you, eukaryotic cells have membrane bond organelle is correct answer. Statement is correct. The reason given here is eukaryotic cells are mostly seen in unicellular organism. Is it correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Okay, Rashmi correct. Okay, Sanvi also correct. Okay, Anjali, you are saying it is true. It is true that eukaryotic cells are seen in unicellular organism. Is true. Kushi Gupta, it is not the correct statement. It is not the correct statement. Okay, eukaryotic cells are mostly seen in what? Multicellular organism. Only seen in multicellular organism. So the reason given is absolutely what? Incorrect. So what will be the option for this question? It will be option C. A is true, but R is false. Okay, this question you have understood? Now, I want the answer A. I want answer A. How will you change the question? Do it fast. Have you understood what I want to tell you? I want answer A for this question. That means what is option A? Option A is both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now, what statement you will write that it is going to become correct? You have to change the statement. Okay, Ananya, how you have changed the statement? Please tell me. Hello? Ananya? Read out your statement. Read out the statement, Ananya. Are you not able to unmute? Okay, who else? Yeah, Gayatri? Gayatri? Have you written? Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what you have, how you have changed your statement.
Eukaryotic cells are found in multicellular organisms.
Okay, eukaryotic cells are found in multicellular organism, and we know very well that multicellular organism are what? Membrane bounded.
Bounded.
So it will be answer A. Any other answer from anybody else? Any other answer? If anyone else has written any other, please reply. Okay, here Rashmi. Rashmi has written eukaryotic cells are membrane bound organism. Okay, eukaryotic cells are mostly seen in. Okay, correct. Same thing you have also written, Rashmi. So, okay. Now, have you understood that how you can change the statement and get the answer? If suppose I want answer D, then what you will write? For the same question, if I want answer D, then frame the question, frame it. Quickly frame it. Question is, prokaryotic cell lack nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cell lack nuclear membrane. The reason write down. Genetic material lies in the direct contact with cytoplasm. Genetic material lies in the direct contact of cytoplasm. Okay. So is this statement for assertion correct? Is the assertion correct? Prokaryotic cell lack nuclear membrane. Is it correct? Okay, Sanvi, Shivam, Shivam Kumar, your answer is correct. What about others? Okay, who has written this? Is reason also correct? Is reason correct? Genetic material lies in the direct contact of cytoplasm. Is it correct? We know that prokaryotic cells lack nuclear membrane. So when they will lack nuclear membrane, then certainly what's going to happen? The genetic material will be in the contact of the cytoplasm. So both is what? Both the statement is correct, and in one way or the other, it's explaining the reason assertion also. So its correct option will be what? What will be the correct option? A, B, or C, or D? What? Yes, option A will be the correct answer for this one. Okay. Can you get the answer C from this question? Frame the question, the same question, in such a way that you get option C. Okay. Frame the same question in such a way that you get option C. Do it. Tom has written, for reason he has written, genetic material lies in direct contact of cytoplasm. So, So this is what? Correct or incorrect? इसका क्या ऑप्शन होगा? ऑप्शन 3 होगा, सी होगा या नहीं होगा? C will be the correct option. So you have to make that reason incorrect. For writing incorrect, you write any incorrect statement and then you will get option C. Okay. Next question. What was the question? Question is, different cells have different shapes and size. Okay, this is assertion. Different cells have different shapes and size. And reason is there is division of labor in the cell. There is division of labor in the cell. Yes, I'm getting the answer. There is division of labor in the cell to perform what is specific function, to perform different function. And that's why they have different shapes and sizes. They are in different shapes and sizes to perform different activities. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Option
Ma'am,
A.
option
Option A
option
will be correct. Now you write the answer, frame the question, the same question in such a way that you get option D. You get option D. For option D, how will you change it? What you will write? What is option D? A is false, but R is true. A is false, but R is true. Now what you will do to get this answer? Anyone? Yes, I'm getting the answer. Who is SK? कौन है SK? Your answer is correct. All cells have same shapes and size. Incorrect statement है. क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपको ऑप्शन डी लाना है और ऑप्शन डी लाने के लिए assertion क्या होना चाहिए? Wrong होना चाहिए. So you have to write down certain statement which is wrong about cell. So I have got the answer. A common answer I am getting that different cells have same shape and size. Most of you are writing the same statement. So correct. You have understood the way how you will change the question. Next, write down assertion. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable. 9F, class 9F.
Yes, ma'am.
Is any question repeated from what we have done earlier? So, question is, plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. This is assertion, and reason is plasma membrane controls the exit and entry of substance from controls the exit. Plasma membrane controls the exit and entry of substance from, only write down control the exit and entry of substance. Okay, I am getting the answer. All are writing correct answer. Okay, Gayatri, Shivam, Rashmi, Shruti, all of you are giving the correct answer. Yes, correct, correct. It will be what? Undoubtedly, it will be option what? A. Okay. If suppose I want option B, then how will you change the question? If suppose I want option B, then what statement you will write? Tell me. ऑप्शन बी के लिए क्या लिखना होगा? Use your chat box. Because here the first statement is plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. Correct है. Plasma membrane controls the exit and entry of the substance. That is also correct. But now you have to write certain statement where you have to make the change. You have to make the change in reason. Yes, who has written this? Plasma membrane is also called a cell membrane. No, it is not a reason. This you are writing a definition. Reason. Shruti has written it allows any substance to pass through it. So, is it correct? It allows any substance to pass through it. It allows only selective, na? So it will be a wrong
Yes,
statement, and in that situation, your answer will be A is true, but R is false. But I want the answer that both are true, statements are true, but reason is not explaining the. Okay, so select such a statement which is correct but is not explaining the assertion. Such type of statement is needed. Okay, let me see who is going to do it. Anshika, anyone who wants, raise your hand. Who wants to share, please raise your hand. Yes, I have got the answer here. In animal cell, only plasma membrane is present. In animal cell, only plasma membrane is present. Yes, statement is correct. Gayatri Somnath, na? Yes, statement is correct. It is a correct statement, but is it explaining the reason? No. So this is the
no,
correct
ma'am.
answer. Yes, correct answer है. इसका आंसर बी ही होगा. और कुछ और आंसर मुझे चाहिए. I want some more framing of the questions. Anybody else? Use your chat box. Cell is the functional and correct. Khushi, correct. Cell is the functional and structural unit of life. This is a correct statement, but is not explaining that plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. So its answer will be B. Okay, Sanvi. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell, of both the cell, plant cell as well as animal cell. This is a confusing statement. Okay, Sanvi, this is a confusing statement. Give such a statement which is not confusing. Okay, because plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell. ये तो दोनों का ही होता है, लेकिन आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग दोनों का तो नहीं होता है. दोनों में प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है, बट इट इज नॉट द आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग ऑफ बोथ द सेल. So according to me, statement is not correct. For this statement, if you write, then your answer will be what? Your answer will be C. A is true, but R is false. But my question is that I want answer B. Lysosome is called the suicidal bag. Who has written this? Lysosome is called the suicidal bag. Yes, it is a correct answer. Whosoever has written, the answer is correct, because lysosome is called the suicidal bag is a correct statement, but not explaining that plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. Okay. Now next question. Write on assertion. Mitosis helps in the growth and repair of cells. Mitosis helps in the growth and repair of cell. Reason write down. In mitosis, chromosomes are double in number. Chromosomes are double in number. Chromosomes are double in number. So is statement A correct? Assertion is correct or incorrect? In mitosis helps in the growth and repair of the cells or tissue. Is it a correct statement? Is it a correct statement? Somebody is writing false. See, assertion reason is meant for your concept knowing what concept you are having. You should remember that mitosis help in the growth and repair, and meiosis is involved in the reproduction. Is the second statement correct? In mitosis, chromosome is double in number. Is it correct? Shanvi, Shruti, yes. That means you are saying that this is the correct statement. Number of chromosome is what? Whatever was in parent is same in the daughter cell. Whatever was the number of chromosome in parent cell is same as that of the daughter cell, or double than that of double of the parent cell in daughter cell. क्या हो जाता है? डबल तो नहीं होता है. डबल तो किसी में नहीं होता है. It is same as that of mother cell. क्या हो जाएगा? Same as that of mother cell. So what will be the correct answer for this one? A is true, but R is false. A is true, but R is false. Okay? So you will note down all these questions in your fair notebook, and you just try to make at least 5 questions from chapter 1 or chapter 5. 2 chapters you have done. Try to frame yourself question for assertion reason. Okay, and that we will discuss in the next class, next online class, when we'll have